पूछा, भीख भी मांगी, फुसलाया, जो भी कहा, बैक प्लेट जो भी किया, मैं झलक दिखलाजा पे रेमो को पकड़ के मैं कहूंगा मैं नहीं नाचूंगा। बिल्कुल। और देखो ये डांस के मास्टर है, ये डांस के सब कुछ है, तो इनको पकड़ के मैंने ये कसम ली है, ठान ली है कि मैं नहीं नाचूंगा। तो इसके बाद there will be no request क्योंकि I dance very badly and I have made a national embarrassment of myself और मैं इस सीजन पे ये नहीं करना चाहता। I think the idea is to up the game completely this season. So I said, we've seen a lot of new dance forms on Jhalak in the previous seasons, and I think there was a certain kind of element of us watching our words, watching what we say, being very careful and mixing our words sometimes, not really, sometimes projecting what we really feel. But because the competition is so tremendous and the contestants are so, I think well versed in dance, even if they're not really dancers, they've been in the entertainment business. The idea is to up the game in every which way. So there will be a certain level of, for lack of a better word, rigidness and strictness in our judgment. I think it's not about the dance form, it's about really kind of being very vigilant about what we say, and that will be projected in our scores as well. So I think this time around, besides the dose of glamour, celebrity, upping the scale in dance, it's also upping the scale of judgment. It was a very, very difficult decision for me. I had to kind of take a lot of time out. I went into some therapy, some rehab, and I reached this conclusion that dancing is not detrimental to me, but it's detrimental to the viewer. And viewers are who make us as filmmakers. So I didn't want to scar them because I thought that they would stop coming to see my movies if they kept feeling that this director doesn't know what he's doing because he dances like this. So once I saw myself on national television, I realized that I was a national embarrassment, and therefore I have reached this conclusion that I should stop dancing. I had no AV either. I am so upset with the team. Remo and Madhuri have this whole new look. I mean, look at them, they're looking sizzling, smashing and sexy, and they put me in the same last season clothes they've given me. They went in the Ferrari. Sara budget in balls पे चला गया है. All these bloody balls are shimmering and I am looking the bloody same. I was the collateral damage of Jhalak Dikhla. Now that of course Reliance has come in our lives, I hope from Reliance Mart I will get new clothes.
It will be very difficult for some contestants to get very high marks. They say 8, 9, 10 is going to be very, very difficult. अगर बहुत अच्छा डांस किया तो ही वो मार्क्स मिलेंगे. This is one of the things. और फिर contestants के लिए सब कुछ difficult करने के लिए हमने बहुत कुछ आगे भी plan किया है. Twists and turns जैसे suddenly so we will take one choreographer who is with that artist for maybe 10-15 episodes and then change him around. तो वो choreographer हम किसी और को दे देंगे, किसी और का उनको, तो comfort zone से बाहर हो जाएंगे. So in that way we are going to keep challenging them.
This time I know who is going to be in love with Remo. Sophie. I chose just like Sophie.
I think that Remo will like.
I think dancing हमारे DNA में हम सब हर religious function पे हर community dance पे हम dance करते हैं और we attempt to dance. So it's true.